recognize these fruits. These are kaimito. Scientific name, Chrysophyllum kainito. Ito ay pinapaniwalaan na nanggaling sa South America. And actually walang history kung paano nakarating sa Pilipinas. But given the historical fact that we had ties with South America through Mexico during the galleon trade, I would assume na itong kainito na ito or kaimito in our local dialect ay dumating sa Pilipinas through the galleon trade. And itong kaimito sa aking farm actually ay nadatnan ko na to. This was already here when I purchased this property in 1993. So napakalaking puno nito actually. It's a big tree and almost 100 years old na itong kahoy na ito. Pinabayaan ko lang, hindi ko naman ginalaw. So makikita nyo, napakalaking puno. Ganyan po siya kalaki. And I have decided to keep this because I want my grandchildren to taste what I tasted and enjoyed when I was a young boy. Yung lasa ng star apple or kaimito. So kung mayroong mga pambihira o bihirang mga fruit trees sa lupain ninyo, I would recommend that ingatan and i-preserve for the future generation. Kaimito.